Hi students, in this video we are going to derive formula for some trigonometric functions. Normally we know that integration of sin x is minus cos x, integration of cos x is plus sin x. Now the question is, what is the formula for integration of tan x dx? We are going to derive it now. You know that whenever we come across this tan x, it is advisable to convert them in terms of sin x and cos x. So as per it, we convert this tan x as sin x by cos x. We know that derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So what we are doing is we are multiplying and dividing by minus 1, so that the minus will come inside in the denominator, in the outside the integration we will get minus 1. And then now if you check it, integration of cos x is derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So here f dash of x presents in the numerator, f of x is in the denominator. As per that, we can say that answer is log mod f of x. So log mod, in place of f of x we can put cos x, this minus 1 as it is. So the formula for integration of tan x is minus into log mod cos x plus c. I repeat it, integration of tan x is minus log mod cos x. Now we will, in the next question we will see what is the integration formula for integration of cot x dx. We know that whenever we come across this tan x, cot x, it is advisable to transfer them in terms of sin and cos. Hence this cot x can be written as cos x by sin x. Now we will check whether by doing the derivative of sin x we can get cos x or not. We know that derivative of cos x is, sin x is cos x. Hence it is in the form of integration of f dash of x divided by f of x. When we have integration of f dash of x divided by f of x, the answer is log mod f of x. So log mod f of x, in place of f of x we are substituting sin x. Next integration of secant x. What we can do is, it is somewhat tricky concept. We multiply numerator and denominator by secant x plus tan x. So we just multiply it inside this secant x. So we get secant square x plus secant x tan x. Now we will check whether by doing the derivative of the denominator we get the numerator or not. Secant x derivative is secant x tan x. This will be given by multiplying this secant x with tan x. So derivative of secant x presents here, and then we will check whether derivative of tan x presents in the numerator. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. By multiplying this secant and secant we will get secant square x. Hence this question is in the form of integration of f dash of x divided by f of x. So answer must be log mod f of x. So log, in place of mod x we put this secant x plus tan x. I hope you understand this formula also. So integration of secant x is log mod secant x plus tan x, and then we will find the formula for integration of cosecant x. Here in this question we will apply the concept we learnt in the previous concept, that is numerator and denominator are multiplied by cosecant x minus cot x. Now we will check whether derivative of cosecant x present in the numerator. Derivative of cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x, that presents here. When we multiply this cosecant side with cosecant x with this cot x, we will get derivative of cosecant x, minus derivative of cot x is cosecant square x. Hence it presents. So derivative of denominator presents in the numerator, hence log mod denominator. Denominator is cosecant x minus cot x plus c. I hope you understand these formula derivations. So we will move on to the next question. Evaluate the integration of 1 plus cos x divided by 1 minus cos x. We saw formula for 1 plus cos x many times in trigonometric in 11th standard, as well as in inverse trigonometric in 12th standard chapter. So 1 plus cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2. 1 minus cos x can be written as 2 sin square x by 2. 2 will get cancelled, and cos square x divided by sin square x is cot square x. Hence it is cot square x by 2 dx. This cot square x by 2 can be written as cosecant square x by 2 minus 1. And we can split the integration. We know the formula that integration of cosecant square here x by 2 is integration of cosecant square x by 2 dx minus 1 into dx. Integration of dx is x, this minus sign as it is, and then integration of cosecant square x by 2. Here we will assume x by 2 as t, so we get 1 by 2 is equal to dt by dx. This dx can be transferred opposite side, so in place of dx we can substitute 2 dt. So the question becomes integration of cosecant square in place of x by 2 t, in place of dx we can substitute 2 dt, and then this minus x plus c as it is. We know that integration of cosecant square t dt is minus cot t, and in the place of t we can substitute x by 2, this minus x plus c as it is. So we get the final answer. I hope you understand this problem. Now we will move on to the next question. Evaluate integration of 1 plus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. We have the formula for 1 plus cos x as 2 cos square x by 2, that is we get 2 cos square x by 2, that is very important, x by 2, but we do not have the formula for 1 plus sin x in terms of x by 2. Hence we split the integration as integration of 1 divided by 1 plus cos x dx plus integration of sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. So in the denominator we are writing 2 cos square x by 2, 2 cos square x by 2. Here we have angle x by 2, so in the numerator also we must get x by 2. So we are using sin 2a formula, 2 sin a into cos a. Whatever angle is there, half of that angle must come. 2 will get cancelled, this cos square and cos x by 2 will get cancelled. This can be rewritten as 1 by 2 into secant square x by 2, and here we have sin x by 2 cos x by 2, that can be written as tan x by 2. Here we have x by 2, we do not have formula, direct formula with x by 2, so we will assume x by 2 as t. So just check it, let x by 2 is equal to t. When we do derivative on both sides we get 1 by 2 dx into dt is equal to dt, which implies that dx is equal to 2 dt. So in place of x by 2 we substituted t, and in place of dx we are substituting 2 dt. So this 2 can be brought outside. Integration of secant square t dt is tan t, and integration of tan t dt. Now only we have seen the formula, minus log mod cos t. This minus can be brought outside. So in place of t we can substitute x by 2. We are getting the final answer. I hope you understand this problem. Thank you students. Thanks for your cooperation.